Hey, it's Cindy and I'm back with a slime video. I know I'm excited about it too. If you are, don't forget to hit that like button right now. And yeah, I've had these for a while, 1 year plus. I know that's really crazy. These are amazing slimes. I even ordered this package right here. These were gifted to me at events and I just, I got crazy. I stored them away. I usually try to just keep my slime nice and neat in the corner so that they'll go unnoticed and my husband won't bother me to throw them out. Anyways, these got lost in all my stuff. They're amazing. They were amazing when I got them and I hope they're still amazing now. So let's check these out, see if they stood the test of time. I'm really, I'm wondering if these are still gonna be good, and I'm hoping they're still gonna be good. So keep watching to find out. I'm gonna start off with the slime package that I ordered from a shop called OK Fun Slime about a year ago. Yes, I know I'm ridiculous for waiting this long to open it. It came with a bunch of fun stuff inside and they did great on all of the packaging. It looked really nice. The first slime is called Oreo Pie. It's a DIY clay slime. This is the base of the slime, which is basically the cream filling inside of that Oreo pie. It pretty much turned into glue because it was, sitting for too long, and that's what happens to slime. It activated up just fine. It comes with a second container that has these really cute detailed Oreos made out of clay, and then you get a separate package of like a snow fizz type texture slime that is your Oreo pie crust. I activated that, it came out just fine. Then next you place your cream filling on top of that nice Oreo pie crust, and I'm trying to do my best to make it look like this perfect little swirl, just like a little fluffy Oreo pie, and I thought it came out pretty nice. Now I'm just unwrapping each little individual Oreo, made out of clay of course, and I'm topping those on top of my Oreo pie. It looks perfect when it's all assembled, super cute and Instagram worthy. I'm just showing you guys this here, and yeah, it kind of started to melt by the time I unwrapped all the Oreos, so you'll see that the glue's falling down the side. Now for the fun part, you smush those Oreos into your slime, and this is where I find out if everything is still good. So 2 out of 3 of those Oreos were still perfectly good, nice and soft, because that's the whole point of the DIY clay slime, is to be able to mix those little clay objects into your slime and turn your slime into a whole new fun texture. One Oreo just would not budge on me. I couldn't rip it, I couldn't mix it in, but that was okay. I was happy that I got 2 of them to mix into the slime. After completely mixing it, the texture is perfect. I loved the scent, a really good genuine Oreo scent. And I ended up just using that extra little dry Oreo as a slime charm. Nice. The next one was another DIY clay slime. It came with one called Got Milk, which was a baby blue thick and glossy base. And then it came with this very realistic blueberry muffin made out of clay. It was super... it was amazing to look at, honestly. All the detail in that muffin, it's like, how long did it take to make that? So here I am smashing the blueberry muffin, and it was still really nice and soft. So that was awesome that I got to really enjoy the whole DIY experience with this slime. I was relieved that it wasn't dried out after all this time. So it turned out to be this really nice doughy like texture, kind of like a butter but a thick butter slime. And the scent on this, that was my favorite thing, you guys. The scent was perfect. It smelled just like a real blueberry muffin. You could smell like that fresh baked. I don't know, it just smelled really good. I wanted to eat it, but unfortunately this isn't edible. This next slime is from a friend of mine, Keiko, and her shop is called Cake Slime. This one is called K-Cola, and it's a Coca-Cola slime. I believe it was an icy with a clear slime base, and the scent is really good, just like Coca-Cola. I feel that it did definitely hold up after a year. It had great bubble pops. I was able to reactivate it and play with it just fine. And I'm just sorry for being a procrastinator, but I still really enjoyed it. This slime from Yellow Rose Slime Shop was gorgeous. I don't know how I didn't touch this slime for almost a year, I think it was. I'm a sucker for glitters and swirled colors, and this had all of that. It was a cloud slime, and I couldn't wait to see if it would still drizzle after a year. It made lots of nice little ASMR. I love those sizzling sounds in the cloud slimes, and I was able to drizzle it still after this long, so I was really satisfied with this slime. I felt it definitely did hold up after all this time. I got this next slime from my friends at Mocha Slime Shop, and it was like this adorable Teddy Graham when I first got it. It just kind of, the face of it melted away over time, and it probably just got smashed, but it's almost like a ice cream sandwich type of a slime where it has the clay on both sides, cloud cream in the center, and it was a little tough to mix after all this time since the clay just wasn't as soft as it once was when they made it. And again, my fault, but I did enjoy it. I enjoyed mixing it and watching the colors swirl together, and it turned out to be like this thick butter snow slime. I still give it a thumbs up after all this time. Another one from Mocha Slime Shop that I got was, it's like a cotton candy Frappuccino type of slime. I don't know if that's what it is, but that's what it reminds me of, the way it looks. It has super cute little rainbow charm on top and all that glitter. Super adorable. Anyways, this one was like a cloud cream texture, and it was still nice and sizzly. After all this time, I was able to mix it up. I might have added a little bit of activator to this one, but I thought it did pretty well after so much time had passed. This one is from Capamilia Slimes. Hazel, she's such a sweetheart. She's one of my friends. She gets all detailed with the DIY slimes here. That was the instructions on how to assemble it. I think it was called Brownie Bites. That was like a sauce that was supposed to go on top. I think it was like a chocolate sauce, but because it was in that little baggie, it was a little harder to reactivate, so I kind of just put that one to the side. Then I added on these really cute sprinkles. They looked like chocolate sprinkles. I think they were homemade too, which is a lot of work, so props to her for that. Next, I have the clay brownie bites. Unfortunately, they didn't really hold up. They look super cute on the slime, but they were really hard. My bad. I waited too long, like I said before. So I left those out of the slime, and I tried it out without the brownie bites. And honestly, the texture was amazing on its own. It was nice and creamy. I loved the way the sprinkles looked in the slime, and I felt that it was still a pretty great slime after 1 year. So I gave it a thumbs up. Next is Aromatherapy Lavender Butter. This one is an essential oil scented, like doughy slime. I think it's also like a cloud creamy type of a texture. After activating it up, it was still really enjoyable to play with. This one is from the shop Slime Fantasies. She did a great job. It still held up after all this time, and I really enjoyed it. The next one is garlic bread, also from Slime Fantasies. I know it sounds strange, but this is one of her best sellers, believe it or not. It has a savory scent. It smells just like garlic bread. So if you don't like savory, you probably wouldn't like this slime. I left some of the activating process in here so you could just see how the slime goes from looking like it's totally bad to totally good. After activating it up, the texture was nice. It was sizzly. It was kind of like this snow fizz texture. and I really enjoyed this slime. It definitely lasted. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week, and have a blessed one. Bye. If you want to see a little bit more of me and what I do in my regular day-to-day life, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @TheRealCyndiRenee. I'll put it down here somewhere.